for this recipe, I've got about 250 grams of peeled onions, which I am going to actually slice them and fry them a little bit. Alrighty. Onions done. The food processor. I've got about 8 or 10 cloves of garlic, and I've got about 25 to 30 grams of ginger in here. 3 green chilies. थोड़ी सी स्पाइसी बनाने वाले हैं हम आज. So I've got about 3 tablespoons of olive oil in here. Okay, in go our onions. I'm going to take some onions out of here. Superb. अभी मैं 1 टीस्पून इसमें रेड चिली पाउडर डालने वाला हूँ and continue cooking. Okay, next I'm going to be putting the ginger and the garlic and the chili together into this. Then we have all these beautiful spices here to deal with. 1 cinnamon stick, a couple of cloves go in there as well. Some black peppercorns in there, 2 या 3 इलायची inside. Some cumin seeds यानी कि जीरा और 1 या 2 तेज पत्ते यानी कि bay leaf. 1 cup of soya granules in here, which I'm going to nicely saute along with these lovely whole spices, the brown onions and the ginger, garlic and chili. All right. Then I'm going to put about 3 tablespoons of each of these dal, masoor, mung and urad. Beautiful. Followed by another 40-50 grams of bulgur. Lovely. Give it a nice mix now. Have some vegetable stock here as well. I've got this on the go, and now what we're going to do is we're going to put thode hamare powder masale. I've got 1 teaspoon of jeera powder in here, 1 teaspoon of dhania powder, 1 big teaspoon of garam masala, and half a teaspoon of turmeric in here. So what I'm going to do is give it a nice stir. Okay, then definitely some salt, which we can always adjust to taste later. Now the rest of these onions, which I've left here, all the onions are in, okay, and just some fresh coriander as well. I'm going to leave a little later on as a garnish, which you can enjoy on top of the haleem. Awesome. I can smell something. You want to have a look? Come and have a look, buddy. Oh yeah, look at that. Now, let me give it a little stir. Wow, this is exactly what I'm looking for. It's time to plate up. Chopped green chilies, थोड़ा सा coriander इसमें डालेंगे, some mint leaves, a nice lemon wedge to go with this. Crispy onions भी है यहाँ पे. Good olive oil is always good for you. Just a little a la Vicky.